dude. Whoa! Did you hear about what happened down there at Bob's?
Oh, no.
Down by the tracks, man?
No.
Yeah.
What happened?
Janky got his fucking shoestring caught in the top of the fence when he jumped it, man.
Oh.
Yeah. And that dog was in there. Oh. The dog ate his head off. Yeah, man. But Janky's alright. He didn't need his head anyway. He's still walking around.
Well, they never used it,
He never, that's right. He never used it. But, you know, I love that dog.
I mean, he could feel around.
But it was radical, man. I heard there was lots of blood.
That's good. He's so scared.